In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you in Pakistan International School Thai virtual learning system. This is grade 1, third term, and this is mathematics class. Today, we will do page number 115 and 116 of the book, and also counting in words from 81 to 90. So let us start. This is the page number 115. Word problem. Question number 4. Divide to answer these. So these are Dewey's problems, all of these. Part A. Ahmed shared his 10 comic books equally with Waqar. How many comic books does each boy have? Ahmed shared his 10 comic books equally with Waqar. How many comic books does each boy have? It means Ahmed has 10 books and he wants to share with Waqar and also give equal book. Okay? Mean if there is 10, so half uh, he wanted to share. So total books 10, total boy 2. So 10 divided 2. So what we will do? 10 divided 2. Now read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So 10 comes when we multiply 2 with 5. So it's mean 5 is our answer. So it's mean both boys kept 5 books. So these are equality distribution of the book. B part. 20 balloons are shared equally among 5 children. How many balloons does each child get? 20 balloons. How many balloons? 20 balloons are shared equally among 5 children. Is saying that there are 5 children and they are going to distribute 20 balloons among 5 children, and how equally. I mean, if one child took 2 balloons, so it's mean the second also, third also, fourth also. But how, the question is how many balloons does each child get? So how we will find the answer of this one? What we will do? 20 divided 5. So right here, 20 divided 5. 20 divided 5, right? In this box, 20 divided 5. So read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. 20 comes when we multiply 5 with 4. So it's mean our answer is 4. 5 fours are 20. C part. This is the C part. A baker puts 30 buns into 3 boxes. How many buns were in each box? A baker who works in a bakery. Bakery, you know, bakery there you can get the uh, buns, bread, like this. These things you can get from the sweets also. So what he is going to do? He puts 30 buns in 3 boxes. He has 3 boxes and he has 30 buns. So equally, he wants to put 30 buns in 3 boxes. So question is how many buns were in each box? Mean in one box how many buns he can put. So how I find the answer? 30 divided 3. 30 divided 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. And 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. So answer is 10. So it's mean in one box he can put 10 buns. Teapot. Anila has 18 stickers. She puts 3 stickers on each book. How many books have stickers on them? Anila has 18 stickers. Okay. Like you, she has how many stickers? 18. And she puts 3 stickers on each book. Mean in 3 stickers, she puts on one book. So it's mean how many books uh, she needs to equally distributes 18 stickers. So what we will do? 18 divided 3. 18 divided 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 four are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. So 6 is our answer. It's mean she needs 6 books to distribute the stickers, 18 stickers, and every book has 3 stickers. E-part. 24 apples are divided equally among 6 children. How many apples does each child get? So total apples are 24 and total children are 6. Uh, so one child get how many apples? How I can find 24 divided 6? 24 divided 6. Read table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. So it's mean one boy, one child will get 4 apples. Okay. So in this way, you can equally divides anything among the children among the peoples, okay, equally divides with the help of division. Okay, so it's mean if you know the table you can easily do this one. This is the multiplication and divisions. Take 12 counters and put them like this is counter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So the counters show that, look, this one, this is the first, this one is shown like in column wise. This is column number 1, this is column number 2, column number 3, column number 4. 3 in this one, in first column 3, in second column 3, in third column 3, in fourth column 3. Mean 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12, and we can say that 4 multiply 3 because 4 columns, and in every columns uh, how many beads? 3. So 4 multiply 3, 12. Or we can this with the this is the row wise. In first row, second row, third row. How many rows? 3 rows. Column 4 and 3 rows. And in one rows, how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So we can say 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. And we can say 3 multiply 4. Mean 3 rows multiply 4 in every row. How many beads? 4. 3 multiply 4, 4. Okay. If you check or count column wise or row wise, answer will come same. They also show that, look, this one 12 divided 3 means this is total, and are 12 and divided 3 is equal to 4, or 12 divided 4 is equal to 3. 4 into 3 12, 3 into 2 4 12, 12 divided 4 3, 12 divided 3 4. This, look, this notice 3, 4, and 12 belong to a number family. In this questions, particularly here, 3, 4, and 12 are belong to a number family. Okay. For example, if we multiply 3 multiply 4, 12. 12 divided 3, 4. 12 divided 4, 3. Okay. So in this way, so these three numbers are belong to a family in this particular in this questions. Okay. So this is just a introduction. Just our table of this is counting in words. Counting in numbers are given, and you will write counting in words. Words mean spelling. 8181, 8181, right? 81, EIGHTY80, 81, EIGHTY80, 81, 8282, EIGHTY80, TW2 82, EIGHTY80, TW2 82, 8383, EIGHTY80, THREE 83, 83, 84, 84, EIGHTY80, FOUR4 84, EIGHTY80, FOUR4 84, 85, 85, EIGHTY80, FIV5 85, 85, 86, 86, EIGHTY80, SIX6 86, 87, 87, EIGHTY80, SEVN7 87, 88, 88, EIGHTY80, EIGHT8 88, EIGHTY80, EIGHT8 88, 89, 89, EIGHTY80, NINE9 89, EIGHT80, NINE9 89, 9090, 9090, NINE9 TYT 90. Okay, so here only one words are new 90, because we have read 80 in the previous video, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the lot of time you have practice this one. Okay, so now read with me. 81, 81, EIGHTY80, ONE1 81, 82, 82, EIGHTY80, TW2 82, 83, 83, EIGHTY80, THR 3 83, 84, 84, EIGHTY80, FOUR4 84, 85, 85, EIGHTY80, FIV5 85, 86, 86, EIGHTY80, SIX6 86, 87, 87, EIGHTY80, SEVEN7 87, 88, 88, EIGHTY80, EIGHT8 88, 89, 89, EIGHTY80, NINE9 89, 89, 90 90, NINETY 90. Okay, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay, now your homework, page number 115 16 only you will do, because 116 only for introduction, so you will do page number 115 in your book, and then counting in words from 81 to 90 in your notebook. Okay, and also memorize the spelling, because if you do not spelling, you cannot write in the exam. Okay, so also memorize the spelling of the number from 80, 81, 82, 83. Okay, guys. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Take care, stay at home, and Allah Hafiz.